All right, let's say you're looking for a beautiful cabin for your land, guys. This is the one we call the Big Bertha 1.0 cabin. Absolutely beautiful cabin. This one is a 14 by 32 with a 6 foot by 32 foot front covered porch. As you can see, you got your wood 4 by 6 solid wood beams that make up the exterior wall and structure of this home, with the chinking in between, which is that gray matter to seal the logs nice and tight, so keeps the cold air out and the cool air in the summertime. This is an all wood rustic cabin, absolutely gorgeous. This is built by the old order Amish. You got a beautiful green roof with the green shutters. Remember, you can pick whatever colors you want if you don't want the green, and if you want a different stain color on the front, you can do that as well. Okay, this cabin is $79,000 as it is, or you can buy it fully loaded with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks and everything in it for $110,000. Okay, you got one on the front door, and then you got one here that goes into your screened-in porch area. Your windows are double pane vinyl windows with the argon gas, e-glass. And then you come on in here, and straight ahead, that goes to the back door. You got your stairs that go up to the second floor loft. Okay, let me close the door behind us here. You see what I'm looking at? Beautiful live edge table here, and that's built into the cabin. So this is included in your cabin, guys. When you purchase a Big Bertha, it's starting to get a little dark because the sun is starting to set. So I'm gonna have to speed it up. Look at that, beautiful. Kitchen cabinets, all handcrafted. Naughty pine by the Amish. You already got your hole cut out to put you a big farm sink here. Again, you remember when I was on the porch? That's that window right there. Like I said, wash your dishes. Looking out the window, look at them handcrafted Amish built cabinets. You got a spot there for your full-size refrigerator. You got a spot here for your stove, microwave, okay? This room right here is where the pantry / laundry room can go. Oh, now the phone's going off. So pantry and laundry room there. And then over here in this other unit, we can go ahead and put a full tub, toilet, and sink in here for your bathroom, okay? And then over here, this door on this wall right here under the stairs is typically where we'll install your 200 amp electrical panel. And then upstairs, of course, is your 2 lofted bedrooms connected by a catwalk. So comment below, guys. Let me know what y'all think about this cabin. I love feedback. So make sure you always hit the like, share, and follow button and comment below. And let me know what y'all think about these cabins, because we spend a lot of time taking in that feedback and making sure we listen to y'all, okay? So we can always improve. Look at that beautiful knotty pine. That's soft wood, guys. That's real knotty pine floors right there. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? You got these little ledges right here. You hang up your curtains and put some little decorations on top of your windows. You got the easy clean windows right there, double pane. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? I just can't get over them floors. And again, I wish y'all, man, like I said, I always say I wish there was such a thing as smell-o-vision, because it just smells so good in here, guys. It smells unbelievable. The smell of pine. And this one, we got some cedar accents. So you got that mix of pine and cedar. And you know, there's no smell like cedar. In my opinion, cedar is one of the most best-selling smells there is. So let's take a peek upstairs. I'm losing light, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you all. There's your loft. We got that loft open. Catwalk. We walled off that loft, but we can also wall off this loft if you want as well, for us to privatize it. This cabin, again, as you can see, the Amish sell it this way, where people, because we got a lot of our customers that are plumbers, electricians, they're DIY guys and ladies that are into DIY. So a lot of people they'll buy this cabin just like this. They'll run their own electric, they'll do their own plumbing, put in their own tubs, toilets, and sinks. And in that case, you can buy the cabin from us for about $79,900. But let's say you're the type of person, you don't want to mess with none of that, okay? You just want this cabin to show up, plug and play, with all your electrical outlets, heating, cooling, plumbing, everything done. This cabin is 110, totally turnkey, move-in ready. All right, guys, let's do a quick tour of the one that we call the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. This one is a more modern style cabin. This is a 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch. And look how pretty this thing is here, guys. Sorry, it was a little loud out there. So again, you got your 2x6 exterior wall studs. You got your black board and batten metal. You got either fiberglass or spray foam insulation is an upgrade inside your walls for insulation. Okay, look how pretty this is. Huge open concept living room, kitchen area. They got that beautiful light tongue and groove pine on the walls, in the ceiling, and then you got your dark floors, right? And you got windows everywhere. So you got a window here, window there, window over there by the kitchen. These are Anderson double pane windows. They staged it a little bit for me because I told them I was coming in to film today. So this is just a little staging they did for me because, again, this is getting ready to go to the customer. But I wanted it to look a little bit staged. So when I put it on film, it looks good for y'all. Again, there's your window. There's your Bosch mini split. It does come with the 2 Bosch mini splits. You got your General Electric microwave, and then here the customer opted in for a 2-burner induction stove, and you got a full-size refrigerator right over here. You got your nice knotty pine kitchen cabinets all around, lots of cabinet space. And let me turn around and show you this angle of it. And again, really nice size, very livable living room area, which I love. Again, I'm a tall fella, I'm 6'6", and I fit very comfortably in here. My head, my arms ain't nowhere near hitting the top of this ceiling. You got your 8-foot walls and it goes up to the peak with a 412 pitch. Going down the hallway, again, let me turn around one last time here and show you, because I like to take my time and really show you every nook and cranny. You see how we got all the electrical outlets already in there, exactly where the customers wanted them. Okay, there's your electrical switches. You got your controller for your Bosch mini split. And again, just picture it all organized here. Got your little living room area and put your little dining room table, and voila, do your cooking over there. Going on back down the hallway, you got your full bathroom. Okay, you got your full bathroom going here. They opted in for a walk-in shower. Now, of course, you can always do a tub, but a lot of our customers, they're getting older, so they don't want to risk falling out of a tub, trying to get in and out of a tub. So they do a lot of these walk-in showers are very popular. And then you got your commode. They went with the little stainless steel sink. There's your mirror. And again, let me close this up here so you can see what the bathroom looks like. All privatized and closed up. And voila. Again, beautiful knotty pond all around. And last but not least, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Here's your commode. And again, there is your walk-in shower. Got your light switch. And like I said, I got them running some electric to this one now because they got it folded up ready to ship. You'll notice this window here is all dark, and so is this window because we got the porch folded down for transportation. So that's why it's all dark. Obviously, you know, when the porch is folded up, it'd be nice and bright in here. There's your side window, there's your mini split. And then of course, this customer they opted in for their, for the closet right here. Nice, really nice size bedroom, which you could easily fit a king size bed in here. Over here, in the closet. There's your closet there. There is your tankless instant water heater. And again, with that being that small, you got all that closet. You can maximize the space in the closet. And like I said, I have them, they've rigged up the electrical panel for me here to have the lights on. They got the wire running out the window for me, because I said they temporarily wanted to make sure I had enough lighting in here to film the content. But this is your 200 amp electric box, all done up to code. And again, this is the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0.